If you are a holistic healer who is investing into digital marketing and still not getting clients, this video is for you. And here I'm going to tell you those mistakes that most holistic healers make and that keeps them poor. So the reason you are not getting clients even after building the funnel, running the ads, could be these two things. Either you are not getting the leads, okay? So we can, put these problems into two buckets. First is the lead, second is the sales. You are getting the leads, but you are not able to convert those leads into sales. So now let's first talk about the lead problem. This happens because of the mistake number one. I call it market message mismatch. Okay, mismatch. So your message, whatever you're writing into your ads or your opt-in page, is not resonating with your audience. Okay, so the Facebook doesn't guarantee like it will get the lead. It only guarantees that it will give you the visibility. That is the first step, that is really important. But also you need to make the ads relevant. You need to be visible with relevant message that has a big benefit for your audience, that directly speaks to the pains and desires of your audience. So if you are running the ads and you are not getting the clicks, you are not getting the leads, it clearly means that your market message is mismatching. So there is a mismatch. And once you fix this, you will start getting leads, guaranteed. So this is the mistake number one. Now let's quickly move to the mistake number two. So if you are getting the leads but you are not getting the sales, there are high chances that there is a market offer mismatch. Okay, so these are the two mismatch that happen. While there could be other things as well, like little things, but for 80% part, these are the two key mistakes that holistic healers make, and that's why they struggle to get the leads and convert them into sales. So now let's see how you can fix the market message mismatch so that you can start getting leads with your ads. You need to start with market research. Now don't get scared of this big technical kind of term like it's jargon. Market research, it's really simple. You simply learn what your market wants, what the people into your market wants. Like four key thing, okay, you need to keep in mind: their desire and aspirations, okay, second, their fear and concern. So if you understand these things, and you can understand this, you can simply talk to the people that have worked with you. You already helped them. You can take their reviews, and from there you can know their desires, their aspirations, their fear, their concern. Let's say if you don't have clients and you are starting as a new person, new holistic healer, then you can simply go to your competitors and check their clients reviews. Okay, because their clients are giving them reviews, and you can check, you can listen them, and you can understand what was the key pain point. Okay, what was the key pain point, why they took the action, like what was their desire. So you can just listen to their reviews and you can get a lot of data. And once you start getting your own clients, you can take their interviews, you can go deeper with them, you can learn how's their life going, what are the challenges they are facing, and how you can solve those kind of challenge. And once you know all these things, you can put those things into your ad. Now your ad directly talks to your ideal customer, okay, your ideal client. Now it is highly relevant. That is the key criteria that we need to have into the ad. It must be relevant, and there must be a big benefit, and it should be curiosity driven. And now you will start getting the leads. So as soon as you do this part, this portion, okay, now your market message mismatch is gone. Now you have the perfect match, I would say. You have the perfect match. And similarly, when it comes to converting leads into sales, you simply look at your market research, what you learned about those people and what they actually need. And from there, you can create your offer that matches their desires, their needs. And once you modify your offer, now again you have the perfect match. If you simply do these two things, and it all based on market research. It's really simple. Then you have a much higher chance of getting leads and converting those leads into sales. Simply comment below and let me know if you want me to go even more deeper into these concepts and what is the next topic that you want me to cover into next videos, because I'm not going to hold back anything. I'm here to help you make more money. So like this video and subscribe this channel for more videos like this.